Hello, how about other guy? Are we get ready to start? Okay. Now I will continue my design. And before I design the wall, here I want to teach you guys about last part we mentioned. The first part is the chamfer, right? And here I just use a mu long, and I will use a mu area to design to show the chamfer. Here also to offset 280 to sinking inwards 280 as the second layer of the ceiling, and also change of the top number to 50 in the confirm. And here at chamfer, here you can choose the corner style at type. Like here I choose inner fillet, choose this type, and then change the radius to 300 in the confirm. Did you see? And also you can change the edges number, and then click bunch edit. All those four corners will change at one time, and uncheck bunch edit. You can change the corner style one by one. So this is the function of chamfer. Are you guys understand? If you understand, please send me number 1. About the chamfer function, are we clear with chamfer? If you're clear with it, please send me number 1. If you don't understand, please ask me. Hello, are you guys there? Okay, next. Okay. I saw we have a new joint. Hello, 10 friend. So do you guys need I repeat chamfer? I demonstrate chamfer function to you. Hello? Can't see. Hello? Can't see my screen? Okay. Let me check. Okay, let me check. It's okay. How about now? How about now? Can you see my mouse and can you see my screen? How about now? Yeah. Okay, let's continue. I will restart. Okay, before our wall design, I will tell you about the chamfer and about this picture. How to design the ceiling like this one, okay? Let's go. And here I just use a mu long to design. I have a mu area to design, and also let's offset it Let it sinking inwards 280 into confirm, and then click it. Also changes of the top number to 50. And then at transfer, here you can change the corner style. At type, you can choose the different style of the corner. Like here I choose this one, this inner fillet one. And then here I change the radius to 300 into confirm. And also you can choose more edges with it. And choose bunch edit. You can change those 4 corners style one time. One click to change those 4 corners style. And if you uncheck bunch edit, you can change the corner style one by one. And this is the chamfer function. So I will clear with chamfer. If you clear with it, please send me number 1. Okay, number 1 for chamfer. How about other guy? Do we clear with the chamfer? Yeah, chamfer can work now. This is chamfer. So how about other guy? I will clear with chamfer. Okay, and next, I will design this ceiling. Did you guys see? From last part, you guys asked me, can we design the ceiling like that style? Yes, we can do it. It's actually so easy. So here I can demonstrate this for you. Let's click this chamfer ceiling. And first, I will draw rectangle. And then I will draw circle. Draw circles at those 4 corners. Draw circle one by one at those 4 corners. A circle again. And then here is it. Use Ctrl key. Use Ctrl key. We can select all of them later. And then right click. Here we can choose operations. Choose take unit set. Here we go. Did you guys see? And we can change the top number to 50. Let it be 3D structure. Did you guys see? We can design the ceiling like this one. So, are you understand? Are you understand the operating? So, are you understand this part? This part. If you clear with this part, you can send me number 2, and you can find the more possibility of this operating. Yes, you can use different shaped rectangle, circle, anyone. You can practice to design. It will be interested. So, this is the operating. Okay, let's go back to the living room and the dining room. Here I will design the wall. Here at this wall. First I will design this wall. Right click this wall. And also we design the wall at ceiling module, at ceiling customize module. Design the wall will also at ceiling customize module, remember. And also here is the roaming mode. You can check the design. And first, here is it. Here you can click show grid. Did you see those grids? And I set it to 100 to 100. Those grids will help us to better draw the areas, right? And first, I will draw a rectangle. And set the rectangle's width to 2600 into the confirm. And also we can move it. Also shortcut T. Press shortcut T, you can rotate it. Did you guys see? You can rotate it. And also press shortcut T again. Here you can change its size. And shortcut T again, you can move it. Okay? Here is the rectangle part, and here is the grease part. Are we clear with this part? If you're clear with this part, send me number 3. Okay? It's easy, right? And you can use grease to help you. Yes, shortcut T again is suited for the wall. Also suited for the wall. Also can work to the wall design. So shortcut key T is very important. Okay, let's continue. Now we have this big rectangle, right? And now I will explain what the width means. Did you see the width is 2600, right? The width means the distance between floor and the ceiling. You can consider is the height of the wall. It's the distance between the floor and the ceiling. So you can consider is the height. And first, I will draw another rectangle. I will draw upper rectangle at this position. Also choose rectangle to draw it. And click it. Also, we can change its size. Like here, I set it to 900 in the confirm. And the width, I set it to 1700 in the confirm. And also, did you see this little circle? It means we can move it. Let's move it. Move it, okay, to this position. And then we can install decoration lines in this rectangle. Also choose it like ceiling to choose section edit. Also you can chamfer it right here. And here I just put decoration lines. Click it, choose section edit. And this is only one position. Did you guys see? Only one area to put decoration lines. And here I also go to section library, choose decoration lines, drag it, and click it, the decoration lines. Here I rotate it, and then change its width to 20. And unlock it, change its thickness to 22. And here I just change its material to white material. To this one, double click. So you can see, now we have a rectangle with decoration lines. So are we clear with this part? To draw a rectangle and then to put decoration lines to it. If you're clear with it, please send me number, let me see, it's number 4 now. Yes, it's number 4 now, about the wall. Actually, it's similar with ceiling design, right? Are we clear how to draw a rectangle to the wall and how to put the decoration lines? Yes, okay. Let's continue. And at Word Design, also we have free section edit mode. Let's click it. Also give it some time to waiting it. Okay, now we also have the free section edit mode. Did you guys see? Here we go. I will tell you what the position exactly are. Let's drag out the declaration line. Here is it. Left of our white declaration lines, you can see. Did you guys see? It means inside of this white rectangle. Left of it, it means inside of the right rectangle. And the right of it, that means, did you guys see? Outside of the white rectangle. Did you guys see? Outside of the rectangle. And also you can move it freely to the position as you want. And here I just put it inside of this white rectangle. Do you guys see? And then click it. Here I can change its width to 10 in order to confirm. Also the thickness to 10. And then here also you can change its position. You can change the distance. And also you can move it. Oh, it's missed. It's okay. Let's use Ctrl key plus Z key to revoke it. Okay, did you guys see? Now we have the second declaration lines inside of the white declaration line. So I will clear with this part. If you're clear with this part, please send me number 5. How to put declaration lines freely. If you have any question, just ask me. So I will clear with this part how to put second declaration lines inside of the white rectangle. It's a little similar with our ceiling design. So if you're clear with it, please send me number 5. It's number 5 now. So if you don't understand, it's okay. I will repeat, okay? Okay, let's continue. Let's go back to the Word Design interface. And now I will copy and paste it. I will copy it, put it at this position, at the right position, and also at the lower position. Did you guys see? We can copy it. Now we have the same rectangles. Did you guys see? If you want to design the same 2 rectangles, you can just copy and paste it. Do you guys see? Okay. Next, I will copy it. I will copy it to this position, to the lower position. Okay, let's put it at the low position. Okay, and then, okay, I put it again. Now we have, and then I will press key T again to change its size. Did you guys see? Now we have those two little rectangles. We want to make a quick design about the similar rectangles. You can just paste it and then to change its size directly. So I will clear with this part, with this paste, and change the size. If you clear with this part, please send me number 6. The paste function. Okay. Next, do you guys see the wall? Next, I will put a tile. Did you guys see? I would put a tile in the middle of it. So let's continue. First, I will also need to draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle in the middle of it. Draw a rectangle. And then click it. Change its length to 1500 in the confirm. And then change its width to 2500 in the confirm. Now we have a new rectangle and click it. Change it to of the top of the wall number to 100 in the confirm. And then let's go to tiling customize. Let's go to finishes customize tiling. Click this rectangle. Here we go. First we can drag a tile. We can drag a single brick. Drag it. And then click this little brick. We can change its material. And we also can change the style of the tile. And here I just choose I just choose this one, this style, and choose a big size. Like to choose this one, double click. And then click new size. Here we go. Now we have a big size tile. And then, did you guys see this is a seam? This is a seam of our tile. It's a little ugly light. So we can build for our tile. We can change the brick seam to white material, such white. Use this material, double click, and then we can set the seam to 0 in the confirm. Do you guys see? Now we don't have the ugly seam. So here is the wall. We finish this wall. So I will clear with this part. I will clear with this. We can design the tile in the middle of the wall. So if you clear with this part, please send me number 7. It's number 7 now. Okay. So we finish the first style of the tile. And then I will teach you another style of the wall. This wall, did you guys see? This style of wall. And here I just use integrated wall panels to design the wall like this one. Here we go. Let's continue. Let's adjust the angle. Go to this wall. Double click. Okay. Here is the wall design interface. And here is the roaming mode, you can check it. Let's go to ceiling. Sorry, let's switch to ceiling design interface. And here I change the grease to 600 to 2600 to better help us to put the wall panels. And here we go. Let's first to draw rectangle tool. Click it to choose rectangle. Okay, it's okay. Let's draw a rectangle again. And also here I set its length to, let me see. I keep the length and set the width to 2600. Yes, the same height with another wall. The same height with this wall. So here we go. We need to move it. Now it's a little lower. So here we go. We press key T. We can move it. Change its position to 0. Okay. Now we have the rectangle. And then we can use polylines to draw the line. Now we have the line. Right-click to exit. And click the line. Choose Edge Strip. Here you can put the decoration lines. Also go to Section Library to put the lines. Drag it. And also you can change its attributes here. Like here I change it to 10. And the thickness also to 10. And the material I set it to black. Double click. So we have our decoration lines. I will clear with this part to draw a rectangle and to draw a line, then put decoration lines to the line. So I will clear with this part. If you clear with this part, please send me number 8. Yes, it's number 8 now. It's number 8 now. If you don't understand, I can repeat. So I will clear with this part to draw the line and to put the decoration lines to it. Okay, section angle. Okay, I will repeat how to put decoration lines into the line. Here is it. First, I draw big rectangle, the same rectangle with another wall. The width is 2600, right? And here, I set the grid to 600 to 2600 to help us to better divide areas. And each area I will put the integrated wall panel. And between those wall panels, at this line, did you guys see the blue lines? Blue lines. Here, I will put decoration lines. So first, I need to draw lines. Use polylines to draw the lines. Use 2 points to control the line, and then right-click to exit. Now we have the line right. click it to choose edge strip. Remember to choose edge strip. Here we go. Here you can put declaration length. It's the same with the section edit. So here, let's go to section library to choose declaration length. Also, you can choose angle length. Actually, they're same length. So here we just choose a declaration length, drag it. Because it only has a length, so whatever you move, wherever you move it, did you guys see? Wherever you move it, its position will not change. Because the declaration length is followed those only one point. Did you see this little one red point? This is the center position, and at the center position, we only have our line light. So, no matter you change it, whenever you move it, it's the same. We only have a declaration length according to the length we draw. So, here is it. You can put it wherever you like, and then click it. Here you can change the length material and the length attributes. Like here I change the width and the thickness is 10 to 10 and the material to black. To this one, did you guys see? Now we have the declaration length. So are we clear with this part? If you're clear with this part, please send me number 8. If you have any question, just ask me. Remember to choose edge strip to go to the declaration length. To go to put declaration length. So how about other guy? Okay, let's continue. And then remember. Okay. Oh, oops. What just happened? Okay, let's continue. First, I put a declaration length, and then I can copy it to those blue position. Did you see those blue lines? I need to copy it to paste it one by one. Here we go. We copy it and paste it according to the blue lines, according to the grease. So this is the function of our grease. Right click to exit. So now we have the declaration length. So are we clear with this part? With this declaration length, if you're clear with it, how to copy it, and how the function of grease, you can send me 9, number 9. Okay, 9. Let's continue. Then I will put integrated wall panel in those grease. Let's go to Material Library, choose Integrated Wall Panel. Here you can choose white material. You can choose white. And here I just choose this one, drag it. Drag it to the grease. And here you can see the width is 2800 light, but our rectangle is only 2600. So we need to unlock it and change its width to 2600 in the confirm. And then we can move it. Okay. Did you guys see? Now we can. And then next function I want to teach you guys is paving. We do not need to copy the panel to each grid one by one. We can just paving it. Choose it and right-click to choose paving. Continuous. Here we go. You can move your mouse. Did you guys see my mouse? Move it to the whole wall. Then click. You can see now we have the wall panels to the whole wall. So are we clear with this part, the paving function and how to paving the integrated wall panel? If you're clear with it, please send me number 10. Yeah, it's number 10 now. If you don't understand, I can repeat. Okay, I will repeat the paving. Let's delete those wall panels. Okay, here we go. At those grids, did you see those grids? Did you see those grids? At those grids, between the decoration lines, I will put here, between the decoration lines, we have grids like 1 grid, 2 grids, 3 grids. And I will put integrated wall panel to those grids. So here, I go to Material Library to choose integrated wall panels. You can find the wall panels you want. Maybe I choose another one. Like I choose this one, drag it to the 1 grid. And then click it. You can change its attributes. Remember, the width of this big rectangle is 2600. So we need to change the wall panel's width to 2602. You need to confirm. And then it's a little at a low position. You can move it, okay, to fit this grid. And then we do not need to copy the wall panels and paste it to whole wall, paste it to each grid. Here is a paving function. I want to tell you guys is you can click this wall panel and then right-click, choose paving. Continuous, you can choose continuous. And they also have other paving widths. Here I choose continuous. Did you guys see? Did you guys see my mouse? You can drag the paving. You can drag the pave walls. You can drag the wall panels to paving. Did you guys see my mouse? You can drag the wall panels to paving. And here I drag it to the end of the wall, to the whole wall, and then click. Now we have wall panels to the whole wall. Did you guys see? This is paving function. Very useful. So are we clear with this part? This paving part. Number 10. Yes, number 10. Send me number 10. Okay. And click this wall panels. You can change its attributes. You can delete it and empty the whole wall panels. And here you can change the theme. like here I change the seam to V seam and set the width to 5. Oh, it's not clear enough. Maybe I set it to 20 to let you better see how the seam work. Do you guys see the seam? It's the V-typed seam of the wall panels, and also you can change its other attributes as you want. So we finish this style of wall design. Are we clear with this integrated wall panels wall design? Are we clear with it? If you're clear with it, please send me OK. Okay, 11 is okay. Okay. Did you guys see? Now we finish the ceiling and the walls design. And about the wall, also you can choose light strip to install light strip for it. Okay? Do you guys want I demonstrate how to install light strip of the tiling wall? Do you guys want I demonstrate how to put a light strip to the tiling wall? Do you guys want I teach you guys how to install the light strip to the wall of the tiling wall? Hello? Do you guys want to demonstrate how to put a light strip of the tiling wall? If you know how to put a light strip, then I will not demonstrate. Hello, are you there? Yeah, double click the wall. Double click the wall. And then double click wall, we go to the wall design interface. Like here, if you want to install the light strip of this side, of this left side, you can click it. Here we go. You can choose generate light strip. Did you guys see? Now we have a light strip. And then click edit. Let's click edit. Click edit. Did you guys see? Here you can change the light strip position. Here you can change the number. Like here I change it to 48. And here you can change the light strip brightness level. It's really easy, right? And also for the right side, also you can choose it, click it, choose generate light strip, and also click edit. You can change the light strip position. Here I change it to 48 too. It's really easy. So this is how to put a light strip to the wall. So are we clear with this part? And now we finish all wall and the ceiling design. Would you guys join me to assembly? Would you guys like to join me to assembly? Here we go. Let's make a summary. Let's make a conclusion of today's training. The ceiling and the wall. First, we draw the areas of the ceiling. We draw the dining room area and the hallway area and the living room area, right? And then there is a shortcut. You need to remember what's the shortcut. Did you guys know what's the shortcut I mentioned, and it's really important? Yeah, shortcut T. And T for what? Press key T, you can do what? What you can do? Yes, you totally get it. Press key T, you can rotate it, you can move it, you can edit it, you can change its size, right? And then I choose offset. I choose offset to shrinking inwards the second layer of the ceiling. Did you guys remember? And after, what's the next step? Do you guys remember what's the next step? Keeps this light. Yeah, offset. After offset, what's the next step after offset? Yeah, light strip. Good. After offset, and I put light strip, remember? And then, after light strip, I click it, choose downlights installation. I install downlights of it. So this is the steps of chamfer ceiling. This simple chamfer ceiling, right? It's very easy, right? And then, what's the next step? When I finish the simple chamfer ceiling, what's the next step to beautify our design? Yeah, decoration lines. We click section edit to put decoration lines. And we have 3 places. Did you guys remember 3 areas to put decoration lines? What's the upper area? What's the position? Do you guys can answer me? Yes, section. What about the upper area? What's the decoration position? Did you guys remember? The upper area. For the upper area, when I put the decoration to the upper area, where is it? Where is the decoration position? Where is the decoration position at the upper area? Do you guys remember? It's okay when you design, when you practice it many times, you can find the upper position is the flat top, is the first section, it's the first layer of the ceiling, it's the first structure layer of the ceiling, the flat top of the ceiling, and this position, this area, light area is the inside of the chamfer. Inside of chamfer, like this decoration lines. And when you put low area, we will put decoration lines at this position outside of the chamfer ceiling. So my next question is, which position we normally put? Which area we normally put our decoration lines? Normally we it out. What do you mean it out now? Here is it. My question is, normally at those three areas, which area we put decoration lines? Here is it. Remember, guys, at section edit, normally we put our decoration lines at this position inside of the chamfer, and at free section edit, you can put your decorations freely. Like here, I put the black decoration inside of the chamfer ceiling light. So here is the decoration lines. And what's the next step after decoration lines? Here we go. Normally, the chamfer ceiling, when we finish decoration lines, you can finish your design. Yes, but when you want to design more layers of ceiling, like here, I draw a circle. I draw a circle to the ceiling, and with more edges, the circle will be more rounder. And also, you can use polylines to draw the shape you want, and the polylines must be closed. So here is the ceiling design. Is simple chamfer ceiling, and also remember we can upload our CD drawings. Did you guys remember? We can upload the CD drawings, and the CD drawings. The polylines in your CD drawings must be closed, and the CD drawings format is DXF. Remember those two rules. And then I also, let me see which room I designed this room. This room and this room I designed the ceiling like this type light. Remember, this is a good function. I will demonstrate again. Remember, you can draw a circle, and then you can draw 4 circles. Sorry, you can draw rectangle firstly, and then you can draw 4 circles. And then use Ctrl key. You can select all of them. Then right click. Remember these operations. There's 3 ways. There's 3 operation ways, and here I choose take union set. Did you guys see? We can design the ceiling like this shaped. So here is our ceiling design. And let's go to living room and the dining room. And here, next I design the wall. So my question is, when I designed the wall, what's the steps? Did you guys remember? see any of it. You guys can see any step of design wall. Okay. Such as the ceiling design, also for the wall design. I also first draw the areas, draw the rectangles, and then I put decoration lines to the rectangle. Also, we have the free section edit mode to put decoration lines inside of the rectangles, and then we can paste the rectangles as you want, put it to the position as you want, and then draw another rectangles to design the tile. What I want to tell you is, when you design the wall, you can combine the tile design. And then I design another style of the wall. This wall, this integrated wall panels, and here is what I most want to tell you guys is paving. There are 4 paving ways, and here I choose continuous paving. It's very useful. Okay, now I finished the ceiling and the wall design. Next, we can decorate our ceiling and we can decorate our living room and dining room. Would you guys want me to demonstrate how to decorate the living room and the dining room, or would you guys want me to show how the smart template using? Are you guys there? About the living room and the dining room decoration, would you guys want me to show you guys how to smart template using? Okay. Okay, I will show you. Okay. Okay, before smart template using, I also want to tell you guys, you can go to public library to find the furniture combination, living room combination, and the dining room combination to decorate your living room and the dining room. Okay? And here, I just use smart template. First, I will not display the ceiling. And then, click. Okay, wait a minute. Click living room and the dining room. Did you guys see? Click it, and here you can choose this logo. This is smart template. Choose it. Here we go. Here are so many sample rooms you can use. You can choose one room as you want. Like this one. Let me see. Maybe this one. And here I just not choose ceiling and the wall, because we already have a ceiling and the wall light. And then click apply. Keep waiting. Carry on. Okay. Let's go to roaming mode to check. Did you guys see? Now it will smart to put furniture under the floor. Did you guys see? Did you guys see? And also the wallpaper. Yes, the wallpaper. Did you guys see? And if you don't want this wall, you can just delete it. And you can move the picture, move it to the position you want. So this is smart template using. Are we clear with smart template using? If you're clear with it, please give me number 1. It will help you to make a quick declaration and to send the renderings immediately. What do you mean? Can you set new smart template for you? You can select smart template and then you can add new template. You mean when you already like this one, when you already smart template using that, and then you want to add another furniture or decorations, right? Do you mean? Do I understand you? You mean when you finish smart template using, then you want to add more new decorations and furniture. Do I got your meaning? Do I understand you? Or you mean use other create new template? Do you mean you at living room and the dining room we already have a smart template, and then you want to use another smart template at another room, like this room, like a guest room? Do you mean that one? Or you mean you will do the second template again? You will do the template again to the living room and the dining room? What do you mean? Do you mean you will do this smart template again at the living room and the dining room, or you means you want to do the smart template at other meal room? Then what do you mean? Okay, maybe later you can ask me. And then, let's go to roaming mode. Here we go, let's render a nice picture to the wall and the ceiling. Remember the render. First, let's click render. And here, to choose enhance. And the resolution, we normally choose HD. Composition, here we choose 16:9 is living room, is the big size room. And here, to change the automatic exposure for, choose the automatic exposure. Remember to check it, and then change the camera elevation to 1500. And the angle must be 90. And about the light template, here I just directly to using natural 2-point light template. You can click here to see. And here I do not need to change those lights. And then it's sunlight. Here we put the time to 6 AM to 9 AM. And then let's find the sun. Where is the sun? To move it. Okay, here is it. Let's move it to make sure it goes into the living room. Did you guys see? Here is the sunlight. Okay, and then outdoor scene. Here I just choose modern city and advanced features. Here I just also set it to 5. The outdoor brightness to 5, and then click here, switch to roaming mode. Let's go back. Okay, to show all wall and the ceiling. And then here is a table. Let's change the share number to cut the table. Change it gently. Change it slowly. It seems if we want to show all the walls, we can't cut the table, right? So let's go forward, a little forward. How about this one? Okay, and then save the perspective. Then you can submit. You can find your renderings at gallery and keep waiting it. So this is today's course. You can try about 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. It will a little, a little too bright, yes. And the morning sunlight is more soft and gentle. It will look more beautiful. Yeah, morning better. Remember, morning better. If you don't, maybe you can try it. Yes, you can try different time of the sunlight. You can try it and to get the difference. Maybe you will like afternoon sunlight. Yes, you can try it. But in my experience, I recommend morning sunlight. Yes. And here is it. Here is our rendering. Remember this rendering, okay? This is your guys' homework. Remember this rendering? So this course homework is send me a rendering of tiling, of walls and the ceiling. And of course, here again, you guys forget the kitchen cabinet rendering, and the last course we teach you wardrobe rendering. So remember those 2 rendering. And today we have another homework, is the ceiling and the walls rendering. So remember, send me, okay? Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow, can I have your guys' renderings? I'm looking for it. Let me know. I totally let you guys know how to design the kitchen cabinets, how to design the wardrobe, and how to design the ceiling and the walls. Okay, so please send me renderings to me. And about the today's record, also I will send you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, I will send you guys tomorrow morning. And this is all about our today's class, ceiling and walls design. Look forward to your guys' homework, okay? See you. Thanks, guys. Next class I will, remember next class, hold on. Remember next class will at Friday, the same time at Friday. Next class I will teach you how to design tiling and about the Panorama edit. Yeah, see you at Friday. See you on Friday. Yeah, see you Friday. So see you. Remember homeworks. Bye.